You can see some white spots, a little bit of flakiness in the plywood. That's actually some water damage. Before we got the rig, it used to leak a little bit, but by pouring epoxy, it'll actually soak into the wood, hardens the fibers, creates a nice fix. When you go to put flooring on top, you can't tell that the plywood below it was damaged.
In order to salvage the subfloor, I'm also sealing up all the holes with this sealant glue and sticking a penny or a coin on top of it. So that is our budget-friendly hack for salvaging your subfloor. There's a bunch of pennies on the floor, so we caulked and closed most of the holes on the floor. We still have some big ones.
We first covered the larger holes in the floor left over from the heater removal with a roof tape. We then repurposed the plastic squares that we cut out of the exit hatch to install the max air fan, and we put those on top of the tape to create a sturdy surface. And we finished it up by sealing around the edges.